Welcome back, students. So, again, a quick recap. Now, we see that uh, the 15-year-old girl has already started cooking up. She's already told a story to Mr. Nuttall, and now we see that Mrs. Sappleton has come to meet Mr. Nuttall, and she has given her apologies that why she was late because she was late. Now we begin. I hope Veera has been amusing you, she said. So Mrs. Sappleton is telling Veera, the name of the girl is Veera, the niece. She has been amusing you, making you happy. She has been spending good time with you. She has been very interesting, said Frampton. So Frampton, Mr. Nuttall, he is telling, no, this girl has been very interesting. I hope you don't mind the open window, said Mrs. Sappleton briskly. My husband and brothers will be home directly from shooting, and they always come in this way. They have been out for snip in the marshes today, so they'll make a fine mess over my poor carpets. So, like you men folks, isn't it? So now this, you remember, Veera had told the same story, and now Mrs. Sappleton, she has also come to the room to meet Mr. Nuttall, and she is also ending up telling the same thing that now my husband and my brothers will return from shooting any time because it's evening, almost evening, and they can return any time, and I want to keep this window open because they come through this way, and if I don't do this they will come directly inside. It will be a mess for my carpets, and I don't want my carpets to be in a bad condition. That is why I want to keep it the windows open so that they can come through this way. This is, and they don't spoil my carpets. She rattled on cheerfully about the shooting and the scarcity of birds and the prospects for duck in the winter. To Frampton, it was all purely horrible. So she was very nicely, she was talking cheerfully, happily, and she was telling about what happens, what are the things that happen in the shoot. So she's telling that there is a scarcity, there is a insufficient supply of birds during this season, but it is also true that ducks, we can find ducks. So he's but and for Mrs. Sappleton was telling a real story, but the way Veera has presented it, it was very creepy and airy. So uh, Mr. Nuttall he did not like all this. He was feeling very horrible. He was feeling very terrible after listening to all this. He made a desperate but only a partially successful effort to turn the talk onto a less ghastly topic. He was conscious that his hostess was giving him only a fragment of her attention, and her eyes were constantly straying past him to the open window and the lawn beyond. It was certainly an unfortunate coincidence that he should have paid his visit on this tragic anniversary. So while they were talking, he felt that, and Mr. Nuttall, he did not like the way she was talking because she was feeling that this topic is something very ghastly, very unpleasant. So he wanted to turn the topic to some other thing, but how hard he was trying, it was not happening, and he could understand, he was conscious, he could feel, he was aware that the hostess here is Mrs. Sappleton. He was giving him very little, fragment is very tiny, small, little attention to whatever he was trying to tell her. And her eyes, Mrs. Sappleton's eyes were continuously, they were strained, they were moving towards or wandering, roaming to that through that window, open past that window to the lawn beyond. So that why was she seeing to that window continuously? Because she was expecting her husband and brothers anytime, but he was not liking it because he thought that they were ghosts, they were it was not real. She had some problem, and he also did not like that this I have come to meet this lady and she is more concerned about them, and they are not real. So he felt that he is very unfortunate. It is his bad luck that today he has come. It is mere chance, coincidences, mere chance that he has come on this day, when this is the anniversary of that particular tragic day when the husband and the young brothers have died, or the tragedy has struck them. So he was not liking it. Next part in the next video, girls. Thank you.